Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Thursday. Okay, students, shall we start the class? Before that, had your breakfast, students? Yes, hope you all doing well, right? Yes, in last class, what we have see, or you all read the insect's name. You have to memorize the insect's name and read the Incy Wincy Spider poem and the Proud Dragonfly passage also you have to read at in your home. Then you have to recall the let us understand, let us practice. You have to practice the name and its action and you have to write it in your note, fly, jump, crawl in 4 lines note. Okay, students, today we are going to see the let us say. Let us say. Listen to the sound and repeat. Here, R as in car. Say after me, students. Car. Jar. C-A-R, car. Jar, jar. Next, AST, as fast as in blast, blast, fast, fast, blast, 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 fast, FAST, fast. Listen and repeat. Here, so many words as the sounds of AR and AST. You have to read and repeat. First, let me read and then you have to say after me, okay? Car, C-A-R, car. Jar, J-A-R, jar. Far, F-A-R, far. Tar, T-A-R, tar. Star, S-T-A-R, star. Mark, M-A-R-K, mark. Park, P-A-R-K, park. Bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Dark, D-A-R-K, dark. Shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. Art, A-R-T, art. Arm, A-R-M, arm. Farm, F-A-R-M, farm. March, M-A-R-C-H, march. M-A-R-C-H, march. Spark, S-P-A-R-K, spark. S-P-A-R-K, spark. Blast, B-L-A-S-T, blast. Fast, F-A-S-T, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Past, P-A-S-T, past. Last, L-A-S-T, last. Vast, V-A-S-T, vast. See, let me read. Car, jar, far, tar, star. Mark, park, bark, dark, shark. Art, arm, farm, march, spark. Blast, fast, past, last, vast. Okay, let us practice. Next, let us practice. The car is fast. The car is fast. Here, the car is fast. We have fun in the park. We have fun in the park. The ants march. The ants march. The ants march. Then the star is far. The star is far. The dog barks at me. The dog barks at me. The shark eats the fish. The shark eats the fish. The car is fast. We have fun in the park. The ants march. The star is far. The dog barks at me. The shark eats the fish. Then word wall. Word wall. Here the same word, right? Jar, fair, tar, bar. Star, mark, park, card. Art, spark, form, part. Past, blast, fast, last. Yes. Let us practice. See? Circle the correct letter cluster. Here they give picture and the sound A-R-A-S-T. We have to correct word circle. We have to circle the correct letter cluster. Here A-R. What it is? It is car. C-A-R. Car. Then boom. It is blast. Blast, right? B-L-A-S-T. Blast. Then it is fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Then it is jar. So A-R. Jar. J-A-R. Jar. Fill in the blanks. Here S-T. What it is? Star. S-T-A-R. Star. And then what it is? Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Here the cracks, right? So blast. B-L-A-S-T. Blast. Then what it is? It is fast, right? F-A-S-T. F-A-S-T. Fast. And then let us use. Cloud, you give me a book. Sorry. Could you give me a book? Could you give me a book? Here it is. Here it is. And could you give me a pen? Could you give me a pen? Here it is. Next, circle time activity. Circle time activity. Divide the class into two groups. This activity, when you come to school, that time we will discuss. Okay, students? Then let us practice. Arrange the words to make sentences. Say them to your friend. First here, see me could the toys give you. Here the words changed the place. So we have to find the correct order of these sentences. Let me find. Yes. Let find the correct order. Could you give me the toys? Could you? C-O-U-L-D. Could you? Y-O-U. Could you give? G-I-V-E. Give me. M-E. Me. The toys. T-H-E. The toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Finally, we put a question mark. Could you give me the toys? Could you give me the toys? And then bag, could you me a give? You know that, right? Yes. Could you give me a bag? Could you give me a bag? A bag? Question mark. Yes. Then let us know. Look at the caterpillar in the following pictures. Here the caterpillar, see, the caterpillar is in the shoe. Here the caterpillar is in the shoe, inside the shoe, okay. The caterpillar is in the shoe. The caterpillar is on the shoe. Here the caterpillar is on the shoe. It is in the shoe. The caterpillar is on the shoe, and then the caterpillar is under the shoe. Here under the shoe, and the caterpillar is near the shoe. Here near the shoe. The caterpillar is in the shoe. Here it is on the shoe, and it is under the shoe, and it is near the shoe. Yes. The words in, on, under and near helps us know where the caterpillar is. The words in, on, under and near helps us know where the caterpillar is. Yes. Here see, take the correct word. Here shoe and the ant, right? Sorry, cockroach. The cockroach is dash the shoes. Near, right? Near. It is near. Near the shoe. N-E-A-R. Near the shoes. Then the ladybug is dash the box. The ladybug is inside the box, right? In. The ladybug is in the box. In the box. Then the ant is dash the chair. The ant is under the chair. The ant is under the chair. And then the butterfly is dash the ball. Here see, the butterfly is on the ball. On the ball. Then fill in the blanks. In, under, near, on. The fish is dash the bowl. The fish is in the bowl. See, inside the bowl, right? So, in. In the bowl. The ladybug is dash the leaf. The ladybug is on the leaf. On the leaf. Then, read the following sentences and draw the insects. We have to draw. Are you all interested in drawing, students? As a dragonfly is on the car. You have to draw a dragonfly is on the car, and the bug is near the sofa. The bug is near the sofa. You have to draw a bug near the sofa. You have to draw. Now I can't draw. You have to draw. This is your activity. This is your activity. So you have to do. I just give information. Okay, students? A spider is under the chair. Here you have to draw a spider. And a bee is in the bottle. You have to draw a bee is in the bottle. So are you all understood, students? A dragonfly is on the car. A bug is near the sofa. A spider is under the chair. A bee is in the bottle. Yes. Then look at the word and circle the correct picture. Look at the word and circle the correct picture. Yes, see on. This is the apple near the box, but here the apple on the box, right? So on, we have to circle this picture. And in, here the caterpillar inside the apple and caterpillar on the leaves, right? So which one is right? Apple is the right. The caterpillar in, near, here, under. The apple under the box, but the apple near the box. So it is the correct one. So we have to circle. And let us read. Let us read. The boy and the butterfly. The boy and the butterfly. Here Sam is a good boy. Here the boy name is Sam. Let me read. Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. He likes to help. One day Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Butterfly in a cover. We already see in the last class, right? The growing of butterfly. Yes, here see. First eggs and larva and pupa and getting butterfly adult, right? This is the Sam sees this stage, pupa larva stage. That time what he do now? See, one day Sam sees a butterfly in cover. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam's grandpa said here, the old man, Sam's grandfather, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. No, let the butterfly come out on its own. But Sam cuts the cover to help the fly. The fly comes out, but it is not able to fly away. The next day Sam sees it on the same rock. Sam asked, why is the butterfly on the rock? Grandpa said, only if it cuts the cover on its own, it will fly. Sam said, sorry Grandpa, I will never do this again. Here Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. And one day Sam sees in butterfly within cover. Then he wants to cut the cover. But grandfather said no. Let the butterfly come out in its own. But Sam cuts the cover to help the butterfly. But the butterfly is not able to fly away. And next day Sam sees on the butterfly same place. That time he asked grandpa, why is the butterfly on the rock? Grandpa said, only if it cuts the cover on its own, it will fly. Sam said, sorry grandpa, I will never do this again. The title of the passage is The Boy and the Butterfly. Yes. Students, you have to read the passage and you don't cut the butterfly cover, okay? Then let us think and do. Let us think and do. Circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. Here Sam, what's going on there? Cuts. He wants to cuts, right? Cuts. And then what it is? It is butterfly, right? Not a snake. It is butterfly. So we have to circle the butterfly. Here cuts, C-U-T-S, cuts, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Then choose and complete the sentences. Sam likes to help. Sam likes to help. 1. H-E-L-P, help. Then Sam saw it on the rock. Sam saw it on the rock, right? R-O-C-K, rock. Then Grandpa said not to cut, not to cut. C-U-T, cut. This is also your activity. You have to stick your ladybug below. Here see, first the steps are given. You have to do it like that. Finally, you get a ladybug. First, fold in the dotted lines to make a cross and fold back. And fold in the dotted line. Fold in the dotted line and fold inside the dotted line. And fold backward in dotted line and fold backward in the dotted line. You have to do it in your own. Okay, students? Finally, draw eyes and spots and finish. You have to paste the ladybug here. Okay? My ladybug is what? Beautiful. My ladybug is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Okay, next, big picture. Big picture. Yes. Where is the ant? Here, see, students, what are the things you can see in this picture? Butterfly, well, then, here, see, caterpillar, grasshopper, tree, dragonfly, like that. So many insects you have seen in this picture, right? They give 10 questions to me. We have to find the answer from this picture. Okay, first, where is the ant? Where is the ant? The ant is in the hill. The ant is in the hill. See, here the ant is in the hill, right? Then, where is the snail? See, here near the well. The snail is, you have to write it in your book. The snail is near the well. Near the well. Where is the bee? Third one is, where is the bee? See? Here see, the bee is on the flower. The bee is on the floor. F-L-O-W-E-R, floor. Then third question, fourth question, where is the beetle? Where is the beetle? Where it is? You see? The beetle is on the leaf. The beetle is on the leaf. Next, fifth question is, where is the caterpillar? Where is the caterpillar? Here, see what it is. It is the mushroom. The caterpillar is in the mushroom. In the mushroom. Then, where is the butterfly? Where is the butterfly? See, the butterfly is on the mushroom. The butterfly is on the mushroom. Then, where is the dragonfly? See, The dragonfly is on the floor. The dragonfly is on the floor. Then, where is the mosquito? See, the mosquito is on the floor, right? The mosquito is on the floor. Where is the grasshopper? See, the grasshopper near the mushroom, right? The grasshopper near the mushroom. Then where is the spider? See, the spider is here, right? The spider is under the mushroom. The spider is under the mushroom. Yes. Okay, students. Today's class is over here. You have a test tomorrow. So you have to read and prepare well. Okay. Yes. It is the most important questions and you have to do your activity and you have to doing craft work and paste the picture here and take a photography, send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, students, you have to read and recall these passages also. Okay, students, thank you. Keep safe at your home. Thank you.